Coco and today we are making 2-ingredient chocolate cake. We're in Lunenburg, that's why we are in a different kitchen, and I have a special guest, Holton. So your ingredients are chocolate chips and 4 eggs. So you have to separate the eggs in different bowls. Now Holton is going to beat the egg yolks. Now we're going to melt the chocolate chips. We're going to put it in the microwave until it's melted.
Now we're going to beat the egg white.
When it's very foamy, put the melted chocolate inside the egg yolks. Now we're going to put the egg whites in the bowl where the chocolate is, and you put little by little, and you mix it softly. Now we're going to put the chocolate cake, not cooked yet, inside the pan. Now Holton's going to spread it. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes and 325 Fahrenheit. Ask an adult to put it in the oven. Actually, just crumble the cake into pieces. Till it looks like dirt, and then you put gummy worms. So it looks like worm and dirt.